In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Dressed to Impress bundle. So to start, I've embossed this card using another stamp set called, called Last a Lifetime. I really like this flower right here, so I wanted to emboss it on the card. So here are my card supplies. I've already stamped and cut out the perfume and the flowers. So I'm just going to put that over there. And then I'm going to adhere this to the card base. This is the Flourish embossing folder from the Parisian suite. So I'm going to place that down. And then I'm going to use my embossing buddy. This is my embossing buddy that I've had for 20 years and it's still going strong. So they last a long time. So I'm going to bring in my Versamark and ink up my stamp. And we'll do one flower up here. And we'll do one down here. And I'm just going to leave that there for now. So now I'm going to pour some white embossing powder over the stamped images. Just kind of tap off the excess and then maybe add a little bit more, make sure it's all covered. I'm going to move this out of the way and I'm going to emboss this with the heat tool. Switch sides so I don't burn my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit while I put dimensionals on some of my flowers and on my perfume. So I'm just gonna put one in the middle here, and then I'll put one, let's see, kind of over here. Nope. Right there. And then I will remove the backing and place this down about here. And then I'm just going to adhere these with some snail adhesive. I'm going to put one up here and one down here. And then add this one. Where's the, I'm trying to, oh well, it'll be fine. Okay, so I think that's cooled off enough, so I'll add some dimensionals to the back. Embossing really makes your color that you're using pop, and so I really like to use embossing on this crumb cake color and definitely on dark colors. It really makes everything pop. I like it better than using the white craft ink. I think it is darker, more bold. So I usually emboss when I want to stamp on a dark color, even on this light color too. So I'm just gonna place that in the middle, and there we have our card. So I have a class going that includes this card. You can check it out on my website, elainescreations.net. Here's my April hostess code. If you purchase the bundle and use this code, I will send you a free gift. And if you purchase the class, it will include the cards. And here's the bundle, Dressed to Impress. So here's the stamp set and the dies include this fun basket or backpack or purse that can be cut out as well. So go check it all out on my website. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.